Today, I'm very pleased to announce that we are launching new pilots that will provide permanent residency status for caregivers as soon as they arrive in Canada.
Welcome to...
Kamusta mga kababayan? I am so excited to share with you this great news because of this new pilot program for caregivers, PR on arrival. Ibig sabihin po, pagdating nyo po dito sa Canada, kayo po ay permanent resident. And bagong-bago lang po itong magandang balitang ito. Sabi po doon sa news release last June 3 is this: Canada announces new pilot programs to support caregivers and Canadian families, intends to make the caregivers program permanent. The new pilot program will provide home care workers with permanent residence, PR, on arrival in Canada. At ano po ang eligibility dito sa program na ito? Through these new pilot programs, candidates interested in working in Canada home care sector will be eligible to apply if they meet the following criteria, which is number 1, attain a minimum of level 4 based on the Canadian Language Benchmark CLB4 po sa English Language Test. Number 2, hold the equivalent of a Canadian high school diploma. Number 3, have recent and relevant work experience. So, importante po na kayo po ay merong work experience. And number 4, receive an offer for a full-time home care job. At hanggang dyan lang po muna for today mga kababayan. Sana ay nabigyan ko kayo ng information about this great news at magantabay na lang po tayo sa mga opportunities in the future here in Canada.